I'm so tired. You know what, bros? We're all very, very busy people, but if you really want to get something done, or you really just want to start something and you don't have time, you gotta make up time, bros. You really gotta make up time. Trust me, it's worth it. With that said, boys, good morning. It is beautiful as always in Florida. It's not really too cold or too hot. Sun's just coming up, and as always, this happens during the night. So, oh, and I actually forgot to show you guys. Are you guys ready for this? I don't think you are, but just watch. Boys, are you kidding me, man? Look how thick these tires are. Guys, finally. Really funny story how I got these, actually. Very funny story, but guys, finally. Say hello to the new 305s for the 370z. As you can see right there, we got the 305s 3019. Never in my life have I ever had tires these thick, boys. Like, oh my gosh. Shout out to Strad, man, but Girth Nation, man. But really though, huge shout out over to my friends at So-Called Z. Make sure you guys go ahead and go to their site. They sell exhaust systems, intakes, some tires. Shout out to them for giving me a huge hookup on these tires. And boys, here's the real question though. Here's the real question. What should I do with the old tires? How should I wear those out? Let me know in the comments below. I know you guys want to get right to the video. I know you do. But guys, I have a really big problem right now. It is currently 7 a.m. and I have a straight pipe 370Z. Neighbors, I'm sorry if you're watching this. I really am, but there's a cold start on my 2009 straight pipe 370Z. And that is how you get your parents in trouble in your neighborhood. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and move the car next to my house so we're not out in the open and the neighbors don't think I'm weird. And we don't get their attention more. I mean, we already kind of ruined their days, so yeah, let's go over there. As you guys read in the title of the video is the biggest flaw on the 370Z and how to fix it. So first, let's get into the biggest flaw. For the longest time, this Z has looked so clean, but there's one thing about it. There's one thing about it, guys, that's just super annoying. I've talked about it a lot of times. What do you think it is? Let me give you guys a hint. What do you think it is? Finally fixing the headlights. But before you guys think it's clickbait, hold on. Let me explain myself, right? On a lot of 370Zs, and I've been seeing this a lot recently, guys. Like, a lot of times recently, especially on the 09 to like 2011. These cars already been out for like 9 years, so it's really happening now more than ever. These headlights, like 350Z, even especially 350Zs and 370Zs, guys, like the headlights get so yellow and just bad. And the reason I think is because at the shape how they are, especially if you live in Florida, the sun's like directly hitting them. Whereas some cars, the headlights are like in front, like the Mustangs and Camaros, so those are like fine, but these headlight guys, oh my gosh. Probably a lot of you guys have the same problem too, but yeah, this is probably one of the biggest flaws, if not the biggest flaw on the 370Z, and this is how you fix it. So I'm really gonna try my best for you guys and try to do like a good explanation on how to do it if you guys want to do it yourself. So yeah, I'm gonna set up the camera like over there and we're gonna start on the right one first. So this right here is basically everything I'm gonna be using today, guys. So this is 3mm tape, masking tape, so we can mask the outside so nothing goes on the paint. So you can find this like AutoZone for like $3, I think. This is the headlight coating, which we're gonna put after everything. This is gonna keep it from getting yellow over time. Fingers crossed, hopefully, don't know if it's true. This was like $8 I bought at Walmart, I believe. And this is the headlight restoration kit, which we're gonna use right after we send the headlight so we can take the clear coat out. I don't know if you guys can see it right now, but there's clear, yeah, you can see it right there. There's clear coat on the headlight. Headlight's probably the worst one. So yeah, hopefully this works. I'm pretty confident it's gonna work. We're gonna start off with, oh, the headlight restoration kit costs $17. I'm gonna leave everything in the description, guys, if you guys wanna go ahead and buy it through Amazon or whatever. And then the sandpaper, guys. On AutoZone, the sandpaper is like super expensive, like way too expensive. So literally, I bought this online. It was 300 grit to all the way to 3,000 grit for $6, guys. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start masking the headlight. Start over here. Also, like over here in the end, it's so bad, guys. Wow, man, that sucks. I tried taking care of the headlights, and when I found out I failed, I started gave up. You guys know the process, so I'll catch up the video once I start sending them. All right, boys, got a good angle for you guys. So first we're gonna have, first over here we got the soapy water, and then we got the 600 grit, not 300 grit, don't mess up your headlights. We're gonna start off with 600 grit. This basically gets rid of all the clear coat. Hopefully we'll see. I really want to show you guys how cool this is. So I think in this like angle and this lighting it shows. So as you guys can see, there's a line right there. From here this way you can see the clear coat. From there this way you can see how smooth and there's no clear coat. It's like super rough right there, and then there's like nothing here. That's really cool. Let me show you guys. We just went ahead and finished with a 600 grit. So the headlight is really cloudy obviously because you sanded it, but they are very, very smooth. Like holy crap, guys, so smooth. So yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the, so you guys can see right there, we're gonna move on to the 3000 grit. It is a lot less rough as a 600, but this is more to like smoothing everything out. And after this, guys, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the headlight restoration kit. I'm gonna film a little bit of it, but basically it's the same thing, just in circles, straight, and just make sure you guys get everything. Guys, no way this just happened to me. Look at this. Bought this separate, and this comes in the McGuire's heavy duty kit. Oh my gosh, did I really just do that, Danny? All right, well, learn from my mistake, guys. Everything comes in this one right here, which is 17 bucks. So there's a cleaning solution we're gonna be using. It comes in the kit. So we basically put that onto here, and then we just start scrubbing away. All right, guys, so I just finished. I think I did like a couple of these, especially up here, so it could really get rid of the cracks. I mean, it helped. It didn't fully get rid of them, so I think now we're ready to go ahead and move on to the spray. All right, boys, so I just did what will go down as the best masking job in YouTuber history. I tried my best, guys. I tried my best. So as you guys can see right there, we're gonna do around 3 coats, and as she says, apply 1 medium coat, and then you wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then your second coat, you go ahead and do it, and then you let dry for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm guessing we do 2 coats, so 1 medium coat, and then one heavier coat, and wait like 5 minutes in between. So let's go ahead and do that. First coat down, now we're seeing progress, guys. Wow, that looks super good, man. Look at the difference. Yes, I have hope, I have hope. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
A timer is already running at 4 minutes and 39 seconds. Would you like to replace it?
Alright Siri, thanks for calling me out. Boys, look how clean that looks. Wow, that looks so much, wow, that's like 20,000% better than it looked. Wow, that is so clean. Actually, I'm like over here to just telling you guys how it is. Like, compare this headlight to that headlight. Just compare them, boys. Just look at that. This, and then we got this. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. I don't think I'm gonna show you guys how to do this one because I mean, you already know how to do it, so I don't want to waste you guys' time. All right, guys. So actually, a huge change of plans that I had no idea was gonna happen. Like, I'm telling you guys, I never have free time. Always something. But I mean, luckily, I was able to do that. The other headlight, but Akita's barking. Anyways, but I have to go somewhere, so I'm gonna have to finish off the other headlight once I get back. So right now I'm basically going with a clean eye and then a dirty eye. So wish me luck, boys. And actually, I was also just thinking, since I bought an extra one, guys, this one right here, how many of how many of you would like it if I throw this in like in a package when I do the 10,000 subscriber giveaway? So I'll talk to you guys in like a split second, basically. Alright, boys, what is going on? I'm finally back home. I actually got back home like 30 minutes ago and went to sleep for a little bit. Little story, guys, I went to something called an escape room. Wow, that was amazing. That was actually super cool. If you guys have never been to an escape room, go ahead and go. It was absolutely amazing. Anyways, oh, also I want to show you guys something came in the mail from Brittany. It's really cool. Okay, so look at this, guys. This is really cool. So I was on eBay. I think this was I think when I got the new rims put on, which was like 2 weeks ago. And like I told you guys, the people forgot to give me back my air caps. I think that's what you call it. They went ahead and ordered some on eBay that say Z, and they even bring like a little cool Z keychain. Boys, this was like $6. So yeah, really cool. But honestly, I cannot get over these tires, guys. I mean, look at that. You guys excited? Because I am. Wondering what tires these are, how much they cost, and everything. Don't worry, I will be making a full video on the tires. This is so. I had no idea this was gonna arrive today. This is so cool. I guess it goes like that. Look how clean that looks, guys. For $5 on eBay, man. Damn, I love the internet. Also, guys, I know you're all gonna be very happy about this, but what's something else that we all hate about Brittany? What's something else, guys? And I'm happy to say, boys, that Brittany's getting a new banner, and it's not the same kind. It's like those like sun visor banners. And it says Danny's Z on it. It's super cool. I'm waiting for that to come in. I'm so happy. But with that said, I'm pretty tired. As you guys can see, I don't have nearly as much energy as I did in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix the other headlight. Maybe fix this one. Just spray a little more, maybe put more coating on it, and yeah. I'll catch you guys once I'm done and I can actually like show you how the car looks. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day right now. I just want to kind of show you how the headlights look. They look amazing. They actually cured really good overnight. This one, as you can see, I don't know if you can see in the video, it's kind of messed up. Like you can only see if it's, that one's kind of messed up. This is perfect though, so I have to get back to doing that one today. Just want to show you guys how it looked the next day. Okay, now back to future Danny and in the vlog. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video by the way. Finally, boys, it's currently like 5, almost 6. No, the lights in my house is turned on. That's how late it is. Usually, each headlight took me like 1.5 hours around there. But finally, I already showed you guys the before and after, but let me show you guys the other headlight that I did. Still drying, but boys, oh my gosh. You guys really cannot roast me anymore on my headlights being dirty, because I mean, I just spent like the longest time making it perfect. I'm really happy though, I really had to do that. Then you put on the flash right here so you guys can see so much better. So much better, boys. And the other one. Oh my goodness, yes. Someone last goodbye to Brittany and her new headlights. Man, she looks, I'm telling you guys, you have no idea how annoying it is to have a clean, like she's super nice, she looks super cool in person. But from certain angles, the headlights don't look the best, and well, it's really embarrassing, guys, super embarrassing. Alright boys, so I already packed everything, put everything inside, everything's pretty much over. Sorry this vlog took, well not really vlog, this video took like went to the night. Something really unexpected came out, but I'm really happy it did because boys, that was so insane. It's super cool. If you've never got to an escape room, trust me, go for it. But yeah bros, with all that said, I hope you helped you out. Let me know in the comments below if you guys agree that that's probably one of the biggest, if not the biggest flaw right now in 2018 on the 370Z. Siri just went off. Also be sure to let me know if you guys are excited for the 305s going on Brittany. Guys, I'm 100% sure I'm not losing grip. I'm never again losing grip. Because I mean boys, we already kind of know that Z's aren't the fastest car from factory, and then putting 305s, 100% grip. All in all, again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out. All the things are in the link in the description, so-called Z site, and both of the items I used. I'll probably do the giveaway on the headlight coating from McGuire's, not Mayer's, McGuire's. And I hope you guys are enjoying the video. They're trying to upload for you guys and upload good content. And with that said, from Brittany, that's all the way back there, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.